So in this video I'm gonna show you how I sell my jewelry and how I pack my orders. And the first thing would be naturally taking the photos. For me, the photos are the most important part of this process. So lately I have been very fond of the color green, so I had these couple things I used as a prop in the photos. And I wanted to keep the photos super simple because the main focus on the photo will be the piece of jewelry. Even though it was super dark and I didn't have that much space, I'm still very pleased with the photos, how they turned out. The next thing would be uploading the images to Instagram. I'm still not sure how I feel about selling jewelry on Instagram, but I wanted to give it a try, and also right now it's the best option for me because I don't have a website, for example. As you can see, all the texts are in Finnish. That's because the main part of my customers are still in Finland. I'm still trying to figure out what would be the best option to post packages abroad. The next morning I rushed to the store because I got 2 orders. Thank you so much. I was so excited. I had a couple things I needed for the packaging, so I went and picked up those. I got some string, some envelopes, some stickers, and I had this paper at home already.
Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest bitch. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip.
I ordered these sort of thank you cards, which I would add to the packages, and these were the highlight of my day. They were better than I expected. I took the photo about a month ago. It was a beautiful fall night, and when I saw the photo, I instantly realized that I want to use it somewhere, someday. I have to say, overall, I enjoyed making these orders a lot more than I first thought. Of course, it's a lot of work, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get used to it when I just do it more.
No shame, no shame, no.
I wanted to send the packages at the same night, and luckily I got to the post office on time because it was about to close. Overall, I'm super happy how the packages turned out. They're very simple yet delicate. I love the cards and I learned a lot of stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Yours till the night fades. Whoa.